Hello and welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use Zengo Wallet. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Zengo Wallet application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. Then in home section you can see all your holdings of your cryptocurrency. Then on the history you can see all your history of buying and selling. There in the middle of your screen, tap on it, then this type of drop down menu will appear in your screen. You can receive, send, buy, sell your cryptocurrencies. You can also swap cryptocurrency from one wallet to another. You can connect wallet by clicking to connect. In settings section, you can personalize your theme, background, hide balance, and you can also change your local currencies and language for the app. In security section, you can add private transaction mode, multiple factor authentication, also recover your account. This is how you can use Zengo Wallet. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.